it's Beth at West Coast Wool, and I am back to talk to you about our Block of the Month program, Bird Dance. This month's video is all about blocks 16, 17, and 18. We are going to be stitching some powder blue birds this month. So let's go over to the workstation and I'll show you what's in your kit. Here is block number 16. We're going to take a look at this first. You are going to get some brown wool for the branch, and you're going to be cutting this into 2 pieces. Make sure you add a little bit on this end and this end, like 1/4 of an inch, so you can tuck it underneath the bird. I made a couple of changes to the way we stitched the leaves this month, and I'll have you get a good look at that. I think in this month's blocks, I used every single eleganza pearl cotton that we've gotten so far. I don't just happen to be that way, but I think I used every single one. So here is block number 17. And one thing to note about this block, I added this drizzle stitch here, and I think I cast on maybe 40 cast on, so I wanted to make it really long. I added the little eyelashes with a pistol stitch. Also, the instructions for the ovals tell you to backstitch the ovals. I did a running stitch. I have no idea why. That's just what I ended up doing, so you have a choice there. I also added this little running stitch around the bird. I left this open, and the reason why, you want to leave some of these elements open so when you quilt it, you get some really good quilted areas. So that's why it's not embellished. There's that one. And then this is block number 18. I'm going to get you a close-up look of that. And there's not really many changes for this one. You're going to use that braid that I was telling you about. Okay, so let's have a look here. Your kit will get a piece of buttermilk hand-dyed wool for the background. You've got your powdered blue, and your layering cottons will be these. Some really pretty bright colors. Got that circle and these 2 pieces. Your branch will be this chocolate brown. You will also get some avocado, some goldenrod, some mango, some very berry. You will also get a piece of hand-dyed velvet, a piece of presto sheer. There is the draw braid, and you will get a skein of the silken pearl this month. It is cornflower blue, and also you will get a bag of beads. Now, these beads will be tucked in between the layers of your background wool. Please make sure that you look inside your kit before you email me and tell me you didn't get any beads. So they're going to be tucked in there to make sure that they travel safely to you. So that is going to be what's in your kit this month. Comment below, send me an email if you have any questions, and I'll see you next month.